How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to do an unboxing video for another South Korean release. Limited edition of only 777 copies. This is the Evil Dead 1 and 2 Blu-ray Digibook, or Digipack, I'm sorry. That comes with a Slipbox. Got that. I'm going to show you this quick because it's very reflective with the plastic. But just for the people that keep things sealed. Nice and tight plastic, so it will look good sealed on your shelf. Now let's open the real thing. Alrighty. Here's your front cover. Bloody chainsaw. Embossed lettering. Sandpaper-like finish. You got a little tiny ash on there, right above the title. There he is. Alright. Get this. Alright. Spine. Also embossed with the chainsaw. Evil Dead 1 and 2. This release comes from Green Naray Media. Another South Korean distributor. Sandpaper-like finish on the back. No embossing this time. Very cool image though. Honestly, I think I would have preferred this image on the front cover, but that's just me. Down here we have all the special features for the first and the second film. If my camera decides to focus, there we go. All the special features, filmed by Sam Raimi. So there is no credits whatsoever listed on this box. On the top it just says The Evil Dead. On the bottom we have all the mumbo jumbo. In limited edition, this is number 464 of 777 copies. Alright. Let's take a look at the Digipack. Ooh, it's a tight one. Holy moly. Okay, there we go. Alright. Here we go. Ash. I think that image is actually from Army of Darkness, so that's kind of weird, but whatever. This is just matte, no embossing whatsoever. The spine, some blood splatter, filmed by Sam Raimi. A repeat of what's inside that was on the bottom of the slip box. Let's open this up. That's pretty cool. Evil Dead. Let me open this up. Looks like we got a little package of postcards that is actually already open, so I'll show you those in a minute. Alright, your disc. So you get the disc art underneath the disc as well inside the Digipack. So that's pretty cool. Again, a film by Sam Raimi. Alright, here we go. Here we got our credits. So you say the credits got to be on this box somewhere. Now, let's take a look at these postcards. As I've said in earlier videos, I'm not a postcard fan, but some people like them. These are really, really thin, almost photo quality. They're not glossy, matte, super thin, very bendable. Definitely not a postcard, more like just cardboard printouts of all the art that's apparently on the case already. Oh, here's something different. That's the cabin. A little black and white image of Bruce Campbell. And there we have it. That's your little postcard set. And that is The Evil Dead 1 and 2. There it is. Blu-ray Digipack, South Korean exclusive, extremely limited. So if you're an Ash fan, you better go and hunt this down before they're gone forever. Alright everybody, we'll see you later.